Javi came over today and we tried to get the car running. We haven't ran the car since we put the second pump in, and I forgot about that, so we leaked fuel everywhere. Well, that's a lot of fuel.
Yeah, it's pouring out.
Cool.
Oh, anybody else a little lightheaded?
You okay, Willie?
Just gave myself a fine. You'll die in there while you're driving, but it'll move.
I don't know if my gas pedal's working. I'm in gear. I drove my car, bro. 2 feet. Bro, it's not about how far you go. It's about how fast you go. What am I talking about?
I don't know what he's looking for. I don't know. He's still looking.
Alright, so we kind of figured out the boost gauge wiring. It's kind of chaffa as hell. Because the previous owner, previous owner, didn't have a controller for the Defi gauges. And I think they might be knockoff. I can't tell. But they'll work for now. Let's get this ball rolling before we run out of light. Because we haven't done shit. Because I watched too many YouTube videos. This one's positive, this one's negative. This one's Halloween, this one's Halloween. Halloween. Alright, I'm gonna do these bitches. Over here. Let's put them here for now. Moment or two, Doug.
Look at the back.
Fuel. Nice. What's up, YouTube? Alright, go shoofy. It's cold, Doug. So I got a seat. I think we already showed you that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Haven't worked on the car in a while. Because it's been too fucking nasty. No, that's an excuse. I've been lazy.
Pick on the cold days to come work on your car.
I know. I feel motivated today. This thing's gonna take my mirror off. I got a new lower control arm because that one's bent. So I need to cut the stopper off and replace the ball joint. I don't think we'll do that today.
Anybody want the 350Z?
Free.
Free.
Come get it.
Yeah, just come get it. You don't need it.
Oh shit. I need a vacuum, bro.
Need my shop vac?
Hey, you wanna go get it? Oh wait. Hey, what do you hat, bro? Howdy, partner.
Little modifications.
Yeah.
Oh.
Man down. Man down. It's okay. I think that lens hood might have saved it. The lens bit?
I think it's good.
Shit.
Fuck, it's scared.
Dude, I didn't even say anything. I was all I got fucking frozen in fear.
I saw the hood. I was like, wait.
Yeah, that's what I saw too. I was like, what is that for?
Because this was bent a little bit, but I think it just might pop out. I was just looking at you.
You stick your bottom one up? Yeah. Get one in. Woo! No. Good, bro?
Got some wiggle room. Not helping.
Alright guys, so we stopped because it's too dark and cold like always. That's why we need a shot. So our Patreon's down below. No, I'm just kidding. Nah, but we need a shop. No bad. But no excuses. We're gonna get ready for what's that? What did I order? Shirt sucked in. They made shirts sucked in tight. Shoopy.
Oh, some fish ticket?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
This stuff's really expensive.
Yeah.
Am I supposed to open this? Supposed to wait for somebody? Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Who did this? You know how expensive these jackets are? Bro, what? What? It's the one. It's like the one I would have bought in everything.
Sick.
This is sick. I guess this is for my birthday.
Go get it.
I don't know. I'm gonna have to find out. Thank you to somebody. The guys? I don't know. We'll try to record more. Obviously, I got a seat in. I need to do a couple more stuff. and I should be able to start driving. So we have a couple more months. We gotta get Ramos ready again. Brian, hopefully we get somewhere with his car. We have a long way to go now, but should be fun. But I hope you are staying safe in the new year. Hope everyone had an okay year. I know it kind of sucked, but Trump's out of office. Hey, crazy.
See you next time, guys.
Later. Stay safe. Good luck. Have fun.
Cosmedy.